Picture this: you're standing in the middle of a vast desert under a sky full of stars. The air is still, the sand cool beneath your feet. Then, out of nowhere, a deep, eerie hum fills the night. No wind, no machines, just an otherworldly vibration rising from the earth itself. Welcome to the singing sand dunes of the Sahara. Scientists call it desert song, a phenomenon where shifting sands create low-frequency sounds that can travel for miles. Some say it's the whispers of ancient spirits, others believe it's the desert itself, singing its secrets to the stars. So, what do you think? Ghosts, geology, or something even stranger? Drop your wildest theories in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mysteries of our planet.